Swipe, swipe, dab, 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 pull, and you're done. This has got to be the easiest way to do the most exotic smoky cat eye. Hi everyone, my name is Smita. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you something that's quite different than blending. I'm going to be showing you the art of dabbing, and this has got to be the easiest smoky eye that you've ever done. So if you're ready, let's begin. Let's first get done with the brows, and for that I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. This pencil is in the shade 6, and as always I'm going to fill up the top portion of my brows first and then use the spoolie to brush my brow hair upwards and fill in the lower part of my brows. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows, and then I'm also going to use it on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows. When I do smoky cat eyes, I love those dramatic straight edges in the corners, and for that I'm going to be using a sticky tape. Now I usually stick it as an extension of my lower lash line. That's the easiest way to do it, and this is just regular office sticky tape. You can use a sticky tape, you can use a post-it, whatever you have. I'm going to be using the Ofra Pro palette, but you can use any neutral eyeshadow palette that you have. First, I'm going to be setting my lid with a bone color eyeshadow. This is optional. If you feel like the concealer will not crease on your lids, you don't even have to do this. Next, I'm taking some black eyeshadow and swiping it right across my lash line with a definer brush. You can also use a flat shader brush, you can use a Q-tip, whatever you have. I'm using the sticky tape as a guide, so you don't have to be perfect because the sticky tape is going to take care of that for you. You can also increase or decrease the length of the wing in the outer corner, and then you just swipe a couple times till you're happy with the intensity. And right on top of it, I'm going to be using this brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, just swiping it a couple times, but this time I'm going to do it right above the black eyeshadow. Now it's time to dab, and for that you will need a small dense brush. This one's from Milani. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. I love this, and I also absolutely love the e.l.f. dense brush. This is how it looks, pretty much the same. It's pretty dense. I'm going to link this also in the description box below. And with this brush, I'm going to start dabbing on the two eyeshadows. I'm not going to be very detailed, or I'm not going to focus on one eyeshadow. I'm just going to start dabbing on that area. So it's going to cover both the eyeshadows. What this is going to do is it's going to mix the eyeshadows and give a flawless blend of colors. So instead of blending and spending all that time, you're just dabbing and letting the brush take care of it. But just make sure you dab gently. You don't have to be harsh or anything. The brush is going to take care of all the blending for you. So just be very gentle. And as you can see, it's blended beautifully. It's a seamless blend from a deeper shade to a lighter shade. You can do this with any eyeshadow color. All you have to do again is apply the black eyeshadow closer to your lash line. Then swipe the color of your choice right above that and dab. You can also do it with shimmer eyeshadows and it looks absolutely stunning. Again, you do the same, apply the black eyeshadow closer to your lash line and apply the gold or any color shimmer right above it. Dab, so it blends beautifully, and then you're done. That gets done so quick and it's so beautiful, especially if you're attending parties or events. Anything with shimmer looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to take off the tape and clean up underneath, and then I'm going to be using the brown eyeshadow in my lower lash line, smoking it out. Using this highlighter from the Juno Bombshell palette, I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bones. And then I'm going to smoke out a little bit of black eyeshadow closer to my lash line in the outer half. That's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. You don't have to apply lashes. You can just stop at mascara if you like. For mascara, I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL21. I love these because they wing outwards, so it gives you that elongated eye look, and they're pretty wispy. You can see through them and you can still see the eye makeup. And that is the completed eye makeup look. How easy was that smoky cat eye? You didn't even have to blend and put in all that effort. Just do a couple swipes and dab and you're done. Let's finish up the rest of the face. I'm going to be using the Juno Bombshell palette. First the bronzer, then the blush, then the highlighter. Nice thing about smoky cat eyes is they look exotic. They go with formal outfits, casual outfits, what have you. And they look like you've almost put in a lot of effort in blending, but we only know how much effort we put into blending here. So it looks great overall with minimal effort. And of course, there's something about smoky cat eyes. They're so enchanting, that slender shape and the outline, and there's something about those feline eyes. They're very exotic. And again, because this makeup style is so universal, you can either do a red lip or a nude lip. I'm planning to do a nude lip today. This is a liquid lipstick from Deck of Scarlet in the shade Cappuccino. And that's the completed look. Simple, quick, easy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you plan to recreate, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box, along with details to all the products that I used in today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. You'll hear from me every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.